motive. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sun. I, Riya Kumari from class 10th, along with the member of my class, wishing you all a very cheerful morning. Prayer purify our mind and soul. Start your day with a positive attitude and always smile to the world. Let's start your day with a prayer of Supreme Authority. So join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head. Start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvat Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. Now get ready for prayer. Tumhi ho Mata Pita, Tumhi ho. Tumhi ho Bandhu Sakha, Tumhi ho. Tumhi ho Mata Pita, Tumhi ho. Tumhi ho Bandhu Sakha, Tumhi ho. ती हो साथी, तुम्ही सहारे. कोई ना अपना सिवा तुम्हारे. तुम्ही हो नैया, तुम्ही खवैया. तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो. जो खिल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं. तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं. दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना. तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो. तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो. तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो. Put your hands down and open your eyes. सरस्वती माता की जय. सरस्वती माता की जय. सरस्वती माता की जय. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. As a citizen or as a social being of India, we have some duties towards our country. Primble instill a sense of patriotism, so take and envoy with Ritika Kumari. Style it is. Attention. Now get ready for Primble. We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought and expression, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the Constituent Assembly. This 26th day of November 1949
to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.
Stand it is. Attention. Now morning is the new beginning and new hope. We need to give full effort to achieve our goals because there is no shortcut to achieve our success. A small positive thought can change our lives. So to brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Kajal Kumari from class 10th for thought of the day.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all. It's me Kajal Kumari from class 10. Now I am going to share today's thought. If you believe in yourself, then you will achieve what you want. Thank you.
Thank you, Kajal, for your today's thought. General knowledge is the key of success and important aspect in our daily life. It helps know the things which is happening in our around the surrounding. Here is Suresh Kumar for GK question.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all. It's me Suresh Kumar. Now I am going to ask a question to all of you. My question that, who was the first Chief Minister of Jharkhand? Ritika.
Sri Babulal Marandi was the first Chief Minister of Jharkhand.
Yes, that's right answer. My next question is, who was the first female ruler of India? Poonam.
Razia Sultan was the first female ruler of India.
Yes, that's right answer.
Stand it is. Attention. Now get ready for national anthem. 3, 2, 1, start. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jalad Tiranga Tab Subh Naame Jage Tab Subh Aasis Mange Gahe Tab Jaya Gata Jan Gan Mangal Dhayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He Bharat Mata Ki Bharat Mata Ki Bharat Mata Ki Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi Vande Vande Vande
वीर शहीदों, वीर शहीदों, वीर शहीदों.
Thank you for your cooperation. Today's morning assembly end here. Thank you for your listening. Thank you and have a nice day. Stand it is.